Now I'm going to teach you how to tape a thumb. The main joint that's usually injured in the thumb is the metacarpal phalangeal joint right here. So that's where most of the tape is going to be going. But we can't just put tape there, otherwise it will fall right off. So we have to put some anchors and things in other parts of the hand. So we're going to start off by putting an anchor here through the hand. So this is my anchor number 1. Oops. Through the hand, and then I'm going to do another anchor here around the wrist. This is my anchor 2. See, so that's pretty high on the wrist. We don't want to tape the wrist when we're taping the thumb necessarily. This is just a thumb tape job. So that's anchor number 1, anchor number 2. Now we're going to do some C-strips. So we're going to start here at the base of the thumb and come to our anchor number 1 on either side of the thumb. And then we're going to go halfway up, do it again. And then we're going to do these until we're covering the joint here. So usually it takes about 3 to 5 depending on the size of the thumb. So that's high enough because now I've covered the metacarpal phalangeal joint. So those are our C-strips. Next we're going to do some figure 8s. So the figure 8 is going to go here around the thumb and then it's going to go around the wrist. So the way the figure 8 looks is I'm going to wrap around here, wrap around there, so that's the top part of our 8. Then we're going to come around the wrist. That's the bottom part of our 8. So we're going to do one pulling that direction, and then we're going to do one pulling the other direction. So we're going to come here, there. That's the top part of our 8, and then this is the bottom part of our 8, so coming around the wrist. Now, if somebody really wanted a light tape job, we could just do the figure 8s and not the rest, but we usually want to do both. So we want to do 2 to 4 of those figure 8s to make sure the thumb is well supported. And we also don't want to get above this joint, so I'm actually a little high here. I'm almost too high coming up to the first joint in the thumb. But that'll do for now. And then we're going to redo our anchors here to cover everything up. So there's the one that goes around the hand, and then here's the one that goes around the wrist.
Oh, the one my mom made? Yeah.
And we're done with the tape job.
For sure.